Basically, a multifamily property is a residential building with more than one housing unit. A quick note, building that has more than 4 housing units are typically considered commercial properties. Let's see the pros and cons of buying a multifamily houses. Number 1. Cash flow. One of the key benefits of buying a multifamily house is the cash flow they generate. Since your property has more than one unit, you can stay in one and rent out the others, which guarantee a stable cash flow to pay your mortgage. Number 2. Tax benefits. There are several attractive tax benefits when you buy a multifamily houses. Here we go with a few deductions you can make. Number 1. Mortgage interest. Number 2. Maintenance and operation cost. Number 3. Insurance premiums. Number 4. Repairs and renovation expenses. And number 5. Any marketing costs. Number 3. Easy to finance. Banks generally don't find multifamily properties too risky as they come up with a guaranteed cash flow. Here we go with an instance. If you have 4 units and one of tenant moves out unexpectedly, your rental income only drops 25% until you can turn over the unit. But if the same happens in a single family rental, you won't have any income during a vacancy, which poses a greater risk to your lender. Let's now talk about the cons of buying a multifamily home. Number 1. More expensive. Multifamily homes are way more expensive than single family homes. For example, a single family home could cost you around 300K in the city like Atlanta. In the same city, the cost of a multifamily home could be anywhere between 1 and 3 million. Number 2, tougher to manage. Managing multiple rental units can become overwhelming because it comes with a lot of responsibilities and you need to be mindful of fair housing laws. For example, you may luck out and get respectful tenants who never missed a rent paycheck. But you could also end up with the rowdy renters who rarely pay on time. And even the best tenants may need to call you in the middle of the night or during a vacation holidays because the heat stopped working or the kitchen sink is leaking and it's on you to get it fixed. Hope you guys find this video informative. We'll see you there in another video 2 weeks from now. Until then, I am Prakash, signing off.